Hello everyone, welcome to the beginning of your new online term. I would like to spend a few short moments discussing how to properly post your top-level discussion postings. TLP discussions, otherwise known as top-level posting discussions, are direct replies to my question of a particular week. Again, TLPs are direct level or top-level postings, and they are direct replies to my question of a particular week. I am making a generic video tutorial here, so your course may look slightly different compared to what is in this video, and again compared to your actual course, so check with your specific syllabus and guidelines. The first area to click on to understand TLPs will be here in the blue navigation area, the course information navigation area. You're going to then scroll down and you're going to see specific course guidelines related to your course. You are going to focus on two particular course information folder areas related to understanding TLP discussions: posting references for research materials and discussion essay postings. Okay, so you can click into these areas and you're going to see examples. Okay, so all TLPs require content to answer the question, specific web URL, specific web URL research links, web links, and word count. Content, web research links, word count. You're going to pay attention to the guidelines also for avoiding plagiarism with use of any copied materials. Again, refer to the grading rubric for details. Okay? The other folder to go through in the specific course guideline area, again, is the discussion essay postings. Okay, so you're going to focus on introduction, word count, examples, and again, very important, how to prevent plagiarism. Once you have gone through these guideline areas, you're going to come back to the blue navigation panel, and you're going to click on Discussion Board, Discussions. Okay, that's the link that will take you directly into the discussion board area. Again, your course may look different, so questions are going to be different for a particular course's subjects, and a little bit different here again as we go through this video tutorial. Refer to the syllabus for specific TLP discussion topics, and note that there are other types of discussions to be aware of. So for TLPs, the content, the naming is specific. TLPs are going to have this formatting to it. Post week XXX discussion here. Post week 1 discussions here. Post week 3 discussions here, exclamation. There are other types of discussion boards that you will need to be aware of, such as status and general. Okay? This video tutorial is focusing on TLPs. Again, the formatting, post week XXX discussions here, exclamation. So I'm going to scroll and show you example how to post in this future week here, but this is starting from week 1 depending on when you're seeing this tutorial. Okay, so again, the naming is post week XXX discussions here. You click on that. Now the only way to properly post a TLP discussion is here in the upper left corner where you see create thread. That's going to give you a direct reply to my question. Okay? You're going to see also that you're going to need to have replies to other students' TLPs, but for proper grading and to be in the running for full grading, the only way to post your TLP is by clicking this create thread item. Now there are 3 items here, there are a few items here rather to focus on. Subject, so week XXX TLP discussion and the topic, and you're going to then copy or type in your answer. So again, proper content, specific web URL links for your research, and word count. Okay, again, click into the discussion area. You're going to look for the TLP discussion with weeks that have the proper formatting, post week XXX discussions here. And you're going to click into that link, look for the create thread item here, and then fill in the proper material. Now, before I reply to a specific week's TLP, if you feel you have to make changes before I have replied, do not post another TLP. You're going to come back in and click the edit button or the edit link. Okay, make your changes and then click submit. Okay, so subject, content, including web links, word count, and then you're going to click submit. As a reminder, you are still going to need to reply to other students' TLPs, but remember, replies to other TLPs are not graded the same way as this TLP is. Okay, so replies are not graded the same way as the TLP. To be in the running for full participation, you must post your TLP discussion properly. Again, refer to the course's syllabus and grading rubric for course grading details. Okay, as always, if there are any questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.